Milad Tower is the name of a multi-purpose telecommunication tower located in the northwest of Tehran, the capital of Iran. With a height of 435 meters, this is the tallest tower in Iran, which is considered the 6th tallest telecom tower and the 19th highest freestanding structure in the world. The area of use of the tower's magnificent top structure is measured about 13,000 meters of infrastructure, which secures the first rank among all telecommunication towers in the world. Due to its considerable height and different appearance, Milad Tower is visible from almost every corner of Tehran, and therefore it is one of the symbols of Iranian capital.